the Amazon rainforest for the first time in real life in my life. I can see it now. It's through the clouds. I just saw it through the... Oh, there we go. It's there. It's the Amazon rainforest. Wow. I can see it. Possibly the largest jungle in the entire world. I'm looking at the Amazon rainforest right now. This is fucking brilliant. Wow. Look at that. I'm looking at the Amazon River. I saw the Amazon River. Fuck. You can see the Amazon River. Look at it. This the bloody Amazon River. It's there. Oh, I'm emotional. It's there. It's the Amazon River. It's the Amazon rainforest. Oh my God. Look at it. It's the greatest thing I've ever seen. I'm so happy. I'm fucking well happy. My dreams are coming true. Look at it. Everything I've ever wanted. Everything I've ever strived to do. Every ambition is coming true. It's landing. The plane is landing on a runway that is built through the Amazon jungle. Look at it. It's tropical house. It's fucking brilliant. Wow. I'm here. I made it to the fucking Amazon rainforest. I fucking made it. I'm here. I'm in the fucking jungle. Look at it. This is the best thing I've ever seen. There's going to be monkeys in there. There's going to be jaguars in there. There's going to be wild boars in there. There's going to be animals I've never heard of. There's a tropical bird. This is fucking brilliant. This is wonderful. I'm fucking so excited. Snotting in my fucking nose. I'm so excited. I'm shaking. I'm gonna be in a fucking jungle. This is incredible. I'm gonna see fucking loads of different exotic tropical animals. There's gonna be animals I've never even seen or even heard of. I'm living the fucking dream. This is it. Leticia Amazona. It's possible to see jaguar, yeah.
But not promise so much because the jaguar is in the jungle.
Yeah, he's in the jungle. He doesn't really come to the town.
Exactly.
Yeah. Statue of jaguars here.
Yeah,
so they're definitely here. Brilliant. Thanks for showing me that, mate.
Yeah.
Expeditions of the jungle. So you do jungle trips, yeah?
This is my jungle trip.
Yeah, I'm fucking getting one of them off you, bro.
2 days I have the tour, but today I live in 12. Maybe I give you more information.
Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, Thank you, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I've met a good guy. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to go to the jungle. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I'm glad I met you, bro.
Okay. Vamos.